Hey everybody, I'm from Jamaica, but I live in America. I live in Philadelphia right now. Hold on a second, let me put my iPhone down. Yes, my iPhone. I'm trying to put it down. Anyways, I am here basically to talk about the thirsty chicks and thirsty niggas. Anyways, let's start with the thirsty niggas. Alright, so one day I was on Facebook, right? And this little boy, it was so rank, you know. He was like this to me. He was like, can I take you out? All this time this boy has been trying to talk to me. I never ever showed the boy at any time of the day. And anyways, so me finally ever tell you the story. Me finally take this boy out. Well, him take me out. Cause me just get my job, me happy. I mean, like, me go get like a brother a chance, get to know him and whatnot. So he take me out. He said, oh, since you get a job, congratulations, I'm gonna take you on a date. Boy pull up at McDonalds. The boy pull up at McDonald's drive through, right? Order fry, and the boy pull out a coupon. The little pussy will pull out a coupon, right? Look for me. You think say all of this, like, look on all of this, like, you think say me deserve, Jesus Christ, a job, a phone job. You think say somebody like me deserve just coupons? You think that? No, that's not right. Anyway, so I was like this to the youth. I said to him, look a boy, pull over a car right now. He said, why Mr. pull over the pussy car right now? I step outside and said, don't delete my fucking number. You're too fucking disrespectful. The boy got McDonald's and so the boy pull out coupons. Pull out coupons for me. Me, Nafisa Daniel. Pull out Daniela. Pull out coupons for me. Anyways, next thing I gotta say is y'all niggas on Facebook be acting like y'all got it and whatnot. Y'all little niggas, you need to stop acting like you have it. If you don't, like, stop it. Cause right, because there's a whole bunch of stuff can come out of that. You can act like you have it up on Facebook and somebody can rob you because they think that you have it when you don't. And on the look a pussy well where act like so a bad man. When somebody bucking up with badder down and shoot on the blood clot and on coughing down, then we will see. Anyways, other rights on that, the little thirsty girls them on Facebook act like I talk about their sexual frustrated with their look half naked pictures. Let me tell you something. Only reason why sometimes I half naked pictures are cause it's professional, cause I'm mad part time. Let me tell you that. Me not do it. Me not do these little Facebook boy attention. Me not do none of that. I am a model. I do that just because, And anybody want to hate, and say stuff, then that's their problem. Follow me on Twitter at ModelChick235 and follow me on Instagram, PrettyFisa. At PrettyFisa, that's it. I'm sorry if on Instagram I don't really follow anybody. It says 0 and I have a lot of followers. It's because I only made it for Twitter because that's where I'm on, Instagram is just for pictures. I don't really like it. So don't get any type of way, because I'm not even my family, Then send me have a little stink attitude and whatnot. But seriously, if you get to know me, you will like me though. But otherwise, I'm not little niggas, and if you stop be so fucking thirsty, because a lot of girls out here with AIDS and a lot of niggas out here with AIDS. So if you stop it, man, worry and respect on nobody, man. Respect it.